Hi guys, welcome back to Triplezon. Today we are talking about the best baby nail kit that makes trimming your baby's tiny nails much safer and easier. If you ever felt nervous about grooming your newborn, this might be exactly what you need. Let's get started. This is the Yukomu Baby Nail Kit, and it is specially designed for newborn grooming. From the moment you open the box, you can see that everything is made with safety in mind. The entire set comes inside a secure child lock box. This is very important because it keeps all the tools safely stored and away from curious little hands. You can keep it on your shelf or in a drawer without worrying about accidents. The Yukomu Baby Nail Kit offers a complete 4-in-1 grooming solution. Inside, you get thickened curved nail clippers, round-headed scissors, an anti-slip glass nail file, and rounded tweezers. Each tool has its own purpose, so you always have the right option for gentle and careful grooming. Let's start with the thickened curved nail clippers. These clippers are shaped to follow the natural curve of your baby's nails. This makes trimming smoother and safer. The thicker design adds strength so you can cut cleanly without needing too much pressure. It helps reduce the risk of sudden slips. The round-headed scissors are another great feature. The tips are rounded, not sharp, which gives you extra peace of mind. You can carefully shape and trim tiny nails without the fear of poking your baby's delicate skin. It gives you better control, especially when your little one is moving. The anti-slip glass nail file is perfect for smoothing rough edges after trimming. The glass surface is gentle and effective. It helps keep nails neat and soft, which also reduces the chance of your baby scratching their own face. Then we have the rounded tweezers. These are designed for gently removing dirt from small and delicate areas like the nose. The rounded tips help prevent accidental injury while still being precise enough to do the job carefully. When it comes to quality, the Yukomu Baby Nail Kit does not disappoint. The blades of the clippers and scissors are made from high-quality stainless steel. This means they are strong, precise, and built to last. The handles are made from durable non-slip ABS material, which gives you a secure and comfortable grip during use. That extra grip makes a big difference when you are handling such small fingers. Cleaning the tools is also simple. You can rinse them directly under water and disinfect them easily. This helps you keep everything hygienic after every grooming session, which is very important for newborn care. Another thing I really like about the Yukomu Baby Nail Kit is its compact and portable design. It is small enough to fit in a diaper bag, so you can take it with you when traveling. Whether you are at home or on the go, you have everything you need in one organized case. Tiny details matter. If you want a safe and convenient way to care for your baby's nails, this kit is definitely worth checking out. Check the price link in the description and see if it is right for you. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Triplezon for more helpful product videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.